You want to come up? Stephen Tallow.
Hi, Your Honor.
Good. You can handle the next one, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Tallow, you have two red light violations and two school zone violations. Is there anything you want to tell me about them?
I didn't know I was doing this stuff, Your Honor.
Right.
Evidently, the Pleasant Valley Parkway ones is going to the
sir.
VA.
We're going to look at the red lights, okay? We're going to look at them. The light's red, and that's your vehicle. And the second one...
So right here, Judge Caprio does something unique. Instead of jumping straight to fines, he actually reviews the evidence, that's the red light footage. Most judges would just read the citation and issue the penalty, but Caprio takes a moment to see the full story. It's a subtle move that shows how fair process works in real time, because sometimes, what looks like a simple traffic violation might have a much deeper context behind it.
Lisa is 462. You also have two speeding tickets on Charles Street.
I looked at that, Your Honor. That must be taking my daughter to work. I can't see how I was speeding, though.
All right. Now, you were going to the VA hospital?
Yeah.
Were you in the service, sir?
Yeah.
Notice how calm and respectful Mr. Tallow is? Even when faced with multiple tickets, he doesn't argue or make excuses. He's honest, cooperative, and humble, a demeanor that speaks volumes about his character. And when he mentions taking his daughter to work, you can sense the quiet dignity of a man just trying to get by. Viewers, what do you think? Should a veteran in this situation be shown leniency? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Yeah.
What branch of the service?
See my
No. What branch?
Army, Your Honor.
Yeah. And where did you serve?
Vietnam.
You in Vietnam?
Yeah.
How long were you in Vietnam?
66 to 68, Your Honor.
2 years.
Yeah.
And there it is, the emotional turn. The moment Judge Caprio realizes Mr. Tallow is a Vietnam veteran, everything shifts. You can hear the tone soften instantly. Judges are human too, and this is where empathy meets justice. For context, Vietnam vets were often treated horribly after returning home, despite risking their lives. Caprio isn't just acknowledging his service, he's recognizing decades of quiet sacrifice that the system often overlooks.
You know, I have a very particular affinity toward those that served in Vietnam. Number one, because of the service to our country. And number two, because of the way they were treated when they came home.
I'm not looking for anything special as far as my military service, Your Honor. You know, that's up to you, your discretion.
No, you didn't bring it up, I brought it up.
Okay.
And you are just like all of the other Vietnam veterans that I know. They're not looking for anything, all right? They're all real men. They're willing to take it on the chin, and they're not looking for anything special. And unfortunately, when they came back from Vietnam, they weren't treated the way they should have been treated. Yeah.
It's terrible.
Yeah. Did you have any of those experiences?
I'm sorry?
Did you have any of those experiences
Yes.
when you came home? Yeah.
Yeah.
That brief yes from Mr. Tallow says it all. Behind that single word is a lifetime of pain and resilience. When he admits he faced mistreatment after the war, the entire courtroom falls silent. This isn't just about traffic tickets anymore, it's about redemption, respect, and the human stories behind every case file. And that's exactly what makes Judge Caprio's courtroom so special. It's not just about the law, it's about justice with heart.
The total fines are $270. How much can you afford to pay?
I'd have to pay like in a time thing, Your Honor. I'm on a set income, you know, so if you can give me some time to pay it up, I'll pay it.
How much can you pay?
I don't know, Your Honor, whatever, you know.
What have you got with you tonight?
I don't, $50 maybe, something like that.
And this, right here, is the moment that restores your faith in humanity. Instead of punishing a struggling veteran, the judge waives the fine entirely and even covers it using donations from kind-hearted viewers who support the court's compassion fund. This isn't just mercy, it's a community saying thank you to someone who served his country. What's your take? Should more courts operate like this, blending justice with generosity?
Sir, I'm going to charge you $25, and your $25 payment is going to be paid by one of the many people who have sent in contributions to this court to be used in my discretion for people that I think are worthy. So I'm going to fine you $25. You don't have to pay it. Okay? So it's going to cost you nothing. So as far as you were concerned, the case is dismissed. We appreciate your service in Vietnam. Thank you for your service, and good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good
Thank
luck.
you.
What an incredible reminder that justice can be both firm and kind. Judge Caprio showed us that the law doesn't have to be cold, it can recognize humanity. Mr. Tallow walked in with fines and left with gratitude, dignity, and respect. If you found this case as heartwarming as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments that prove compassion still has a place in justice.